In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your controller not working on Fortnite PC on Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, I have my controller connected right now. As you can see, there's all the buttons. I'm playing on PC. I have my mouse connected as well with my keyboard. But let's say my controller is not being detected, whether I'm in the menus or I'm in game or anything like that. It's actually very simple to go ahead and fix this. So all I want to do is go over to my settings like so, and then I'm going to see the settings option right there. Go into settings, and now all I want to do is keep going to the different tabs. I'm going to see a lot of different options. And then whenever I go down to the mouse and keyboard tab, I want to scroll down and it's going to say ignore controller input. You want to make sure that this is not turned on. And where it also says lock input method as mouse, you want to make sure that this is off as well. So both of these settings have to be off. And now whenever you go ahead and plug your controller in, you're going to, see it, and it's going to be responsive, it's going to be working, and you can use it in game. You also want to make sure you're using a wire whenever you're playing with a controller. You can use Bluetooth as well, but it's going to give you a lot of input delay. So for the best performance, go ahead and go with a wired version whenever you're playing controller on your PC on Fortnite Chapter 7. But if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.